see what's gonna happen here. This car can't make it up the hill. And that car's not gonna stop either. Gotta give it a good go. Go, 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 go. You can do it, Camry. Come on, little guy. Oh, bummer. Maybe I shouldn't leave. That's not even a hill, and a Camry can't even get up the hill, and it's not a hill. You're gonna have to get a more running start than that, fool. You need to go all the way back. Go all the way back. A Bobcat's being very helpful, too. Go back, go back, go back. There you go. Okay, now go all the way forward. You got it, little feller. You got it. Yay! That was nice. Good job.